Radha, open your eyes. What has happened to you? Why isn't she opening her eyes? Radha, please wake up.
Come with me. Talk to Radha. You won't marry Damini after that, surely.
Gungun, what are you saying?
Save this reaction for later. It'll come in handy.
What have you done to Uncle? The doctor has advised him not to drink. What if he falls ill?
It will be your responsibility, Radha. Because the decision is yours. Will you stop Mohan and my wedding or save your uncle's life?
You have lost, right? Now listen, until Mohan and my daughter get married to each other, you will not do anything. Hey, let's laugh softly. Or if that ghost is around then, and if she hears us.
By the way, Mom, she can't do anything even if she's around. Everything is happening outside the house. And Tulsi can't step out of the house.
Yeah, then let's laugh.
Hello? She has left the house. Whatever I said to you, you have to do that. There shouldn't be any mistakes this time.
There won't be any problem, ma'am. She can't escape this time. Anyway, I have to settle my score with her for what she did with me in the hospital then.
And is the surprise ready?
It's ready, ma'am.
Good.
I must save Uncle before they get married. Then I can stop the wedding.
May no one cast an evil eye on my son. I have been eagerly waiting for so many years to see you dressed like this. Ketki, come and ward the evil eye of your brother.
Go on.
Come on, dear. That is a sister's duty. Come on.
May the Lord protect you from all the evil eyes, Mohan. Especially from Damini and Aunt Kaveri.
Did you say anything?
It's nothing, Aunt Kaveri. She was saying no one else can cast an evil eye on Mohan since you are around. How can anyone do that?
Yes.
What?
I mean to say, no one can cast an evil eye on Mohan if you are here. That's what.
Let's go.
Wait. You can't leave like this.
Look, dear, auspicious time is passing. Don't interfere in everything. I mean to say is that auspicious time is passing. Shall we go?
I'm not interfering. But tell me something. How can the groom leave without the Sehra?
Yes, my dear. Mohan will wear it too. But, dear, that Sehra was supposed to be tied by Radha. And now she won't come.
Why won't she?
This is the same place where the goons have kept Uncle hostage.
Aunt, tell me, why Radha won't come?
That Mohan, my dear, actually I saw her going on Dulari scooty somewhere.
What do you mean? Why can she go today and why?
What's the matter, Mohan?
I don't know, Mom, but I don't have a good feeling about it.
Oh Lord Krishna, how will I break this lock? Hey Lord Krishna, let's do it!
Hey, Ajit, do one thing.
Yes?
You call Radha and ask her to leave her work, whatever it may be, and return home immediately.
Sure, Mohan.
I must find Uncle as soon as possible. Uncle! Uncle! This handkerchief. That means Uncle is here.
Radha is not answering the call.
Mohan, we can wait for Radha to return. Let it be. If you are not in the mood, then don't get married today. You can do that later.
What nonsense are you talking, Ketki? Don't you want your brother to be happily married? There have already been so many hindrances in the marriage. Both of them must get married today, that's it.
But Mom...
This is final, Ketki. They must get married today by any means. Because this is absolutely necessary for Gungun's custody.
Ketki,
Let her go. Mohan, please remember one thing. You must get married today by any means. Otherwise, we will lose our Gungun forever.
Mom, what's wrong with Radha? Why isn't she attending the rituals?
How can she attend the rituals, Mohan? Maybe she has lost the hope of achieving her love. But how can she see her love getting married to someone else? She will be here, son. She must be busy doing household chores.
These things will bring her back to us. Just observe.
This watch belongs to Uncle.
Please don't worry. Come on. Let's go.
No. He won't go without the turban, Grandma. Look, Dad. I listened to you and attended the wedding, right? Can't you do this for me, Dad?
Gungun, if this is what you want, then I will do it.
Hey, but
Come back quickly, Radha. I won't be able to hold them for long.
Radha will not come back to this house alive. She will be dead by now.
I just hope Radha is fine. She should be safe. I just hope she brings father home quickly.
Now she is completely trapped.
Radha?
What happened, Mohan?
What happened?
Mohan, the priest is waiting you at the dais. Let's go.
Don't go without the turban.
Mom, let me call Radha once and check where she is.
How long will you hide, Radha? We have closed all the ways out. You will have to come here. Come on, Radha.
Mohan. Enough, Mohan. Not anymore. The auspicious time will pass by.
But Grandma...
Stop this, Gungun. I know it very well, Gungun, that you are against Mohan's marriage. But dear, whatever I am doing, it's for everyone's betterment, especially your betterment. Please try to understand, Gungun. I can't afford to lose you. And for that, it is important that... Let's go, Mohan. Let's go.
Where is Radha?
Answer my call, Mohan.
Hey, she's hiding somewhere else. Let's go and search there.
Please answer my call, Mohan.
Mom, I forgot my phone. I'll be back.
Mohan, please answer my call. Mohan, Uncle's life is in danger. I came to the factory near the temple to save him. Two goons are chasing me. I'm in trouble. He's the same man who planted the bomb in the bus. Can you hear me? I'm in big trouble. Please come and save me, Mohan. Mohan?
Radha? Radha's life is in danger.
Come on.
Leave me! Let go of me! No!
Ouch!
How did the phone fall? Oh. Gungun. In anger, she must have thrown.
Mohan, father and Radha are in danger. Please go and save them. They are in the factory near the temple. Mohan, please hurry up.
Only Radha can handle Gungun, seriously.
So this was your plan, Damini? Father was the bait. Radha was your real target. I must do something.
Hey, bring that old man. You?
Uncle? Uncle?
Stop running. Come out. Otherwise, I'll kill the drunkard right here. Look, I'll count till 3. If you don't come out, he will die. 1. 2.
Lord Krishna, please protect him. 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 Lord Krishna.
3.
No! Please don't hurt him. Let him go. Please let him go. Uncle.
This time you will die for sure. Only the method is new. Come, there is a surprise for you.
Leave me.
Come.
Leave me, I
Come.
said.
Hey, what are you waiting for? Open the curtain. I will put you in the box. This is only for you.
No.
Come.
No.
Come.
No.
Come on.
No, leave me.
Come on.
No.
don't go, Dad.
I must go, Gungun.
Where are you, Radha? Please come home quickly. Lord Krishna, please send Radha home quickly. Please.
Let me go out! Why did you keep me here? Let me go out! Let me go out! Please let me go out! Mohan! Let me go! Let me go out! Mohan! Open it! Anyone there?
Radha's life will end today. And my new life will start. The man did something good for the first time.
Let me go out! Lord Krishna! Mohan!
I won't let you end Radha's life so easily, Damini.
Mohan!
Neither will you get married to Mohan. Neither I will let anything happen to Radha. I promise you that.
Call the bride, Mrs. Trivedi. Why isn't the bride here yet?
Yes, Mr. Priest. I'll call her right away.
If Damini comes downstairs and if Radha doesn't turn up, Dad will get married to her. She will become my mother. No, Lord Krishna. Please don't let that happen. Please send Radha quickly. Please.
Radha,
Mohan, you are getting married to Damini today. It's not right to remember Radha now, dear. Damini will feel really bad if she gets to know this. And you don't worry. Radha is not a kid to be taken care of. She'll be back soon.
Let me
You see Mohan with these eyes of yours, right? And you look at Mohan with love in your eyes, am I right?
Mohan,
I am enjoying seeing the fear of death in your eyes, Radha.
please open it.
I can't even express it to you. I'm so happy, I'm so happy.
My daughter is looking so beautiful in her wedding dress. I must not cast an evil eye on her.
Mom,
By wearing this dress, you have honored the dress itself. Dear, the way this wedding dress has been honored, in the same way, Mohan's love towards you will gradually start increasing in your life. May you always be happy. Come on, now let's go. Mohan has already reached the mandap. Come on.
Mohan has reached the wedding dais, but your daughter won't be able to reach there. I will punish her for all her sins today.
Mohan, let me go out. Let me go out. Lord Krishna, Mohan, open it. Let me go out. Why did you trap me here? If Mohan gets to know this, he won't spare you. Let me go out.
Who? Mohan? Mohan Trivedi? The one who is getting married? The one whom you follow everywhere, huh? Are you talking about him?
Mohan!
Why do I feel that Radha is calling me? Where are you, Radha?
Oh my! This evil spirit has kicked me like a football. She has sprained my back. Open the door!
Mom? Mom! Tulsi? Tulsi, it's you, right? Look, Tulsi, today Mohan and I are getting married. For years, I have had only one dream. I want to get married to Mohan. You have broken my dream once, Tulsi, please. Please let me go out today. Please, I beg you, Tulsi. Please.
It's impossible that I do nothing, Damini. After what you did to Radha, it is impossible for me to spare you.
Mohan!
I will save Radha and I won't let you get married to Mohan. Tell your henchmen to set Radha free and stop this madness right away.
Uncle!
Try harder, try hard, try hard.
Uncle, look here! Uncle! Lord Krishna, what trouble you have put me into. On the one hand, I have to take Uncle home. On the other hand, I can't let Mohan and Gungun's life get ruined. Otherwise, Damini will... she'll ruin the entire family.
Shout louder, shout louder.
Open this! I said open it!
Tulsi, you don't want me to harm that girl Radha or do any wrong with her. But Tulsi, Radha will die. She has to die, just the way you died. And dead wives shouldn't interfere in their husbands' second marriages at all. Here I will get married to Mohan and there Radha will be gone.
Open it!
Enough! Enough, Damini! Even the Lord will not spare human beings like you. And I am a spirit, so how can I spare you? I will... Ah!
Until you marry Mohan, the sacred thread will be your shield.
I think that woman has again started beating up my daughter. Dear Tulsi, today is my daughter's wedding. Her facial makeup. Why are you spoiling it? Don't beat her so much. Open the door. Damini. Well, my daughter is so happy about her wedding that she's dropping things while walking also. Damini, please hurry up. Your groom is waiting for you.
I am sure you have fallen there, Tulsi. What happened, Tulsi? Did you get hurt? Oh. Now you just get used to this. For Mohan, I can fight God, human beings, spirits, and all the ghosts also. And today, along with Radha, Tulsi will also be destroyed. Tulsi, I can't see you at all. But looking at the things fallen here, I know you are lying here somewhere.
Damini!
Is Damini alive or is she dead? Damini! My dear!
Tulsi, you have hurt me a lot. And I have tolerated a lot. But this time, I will hurt you and you will suffer. You weren't at peace even after dying. You came back into this world as a spirit, but you are a mother. You just couldn't see your child in pain at all. But this time, I will hurt you for sure. I will render you in a condition that you will fear my name. And instead of living here, you will latch onto some kind of a tree.
Mohan? Where are you going, dear?
Mom,
If you leave the mandap before the wedding, it's a bad omen.
Mom, I felt someone near to me or my loved one took my name. I feel my loved one needs me.
Open it! Open it!
Please, Radha, answer my call. Are you okay? Radha!
Gun.
Hey, don't do this! Give it to me! I want to talk to her, it's important! Open! Give it to me! Open this! Open this! I said get me out of here!
Hey, we locked her up here. But that Gungun escaped.
This woman protects that little girl. Let this girl die once. Then we will kidnap that girl and finish that girl at once.
Hey! Don't you dare say anything about Gungun! I'll get out of here and kill you! Get me out of here! I said take me
Do you
out!
think we are crazy? We will take you out. Do you think we will take you out because you say so? Are we following your orders? Hey Radha, you won't come alive out of this box. Now your spirit will come out of this box.
A mother can protect her child even as a spirit, understood? Get me out of here once. I swear on Lord Krishna, I'll kill both of you! Get me out of here!
Hey, go increase the flow of water. Go.
Ah! Get me out of here!
Tulsi, do you remember how many times I have run away from you? You used to chase me. So many times you have slapped me. You hanged me upside down. Tulsi, leave me. Please spare me, Tulsi. I will seek revenge on you for everything you did to humiliate me. And you won't be able to harm me. You are bound by Mohan's promise, am I right?
Promise me that you will not come before my family or me. You will neither show your face nor let them hear your voice. Because of you, my family won't be harmed. And you won't hurt my family in any way. Promise me, Tulsi.
You can't harm anyone related to Mohan at all. And today, this Kankandora has connected me to Mohan. This represents Mohan's presence. And you know, Mohan tied this around my wrist.
Why is Radha not answering my calls? Radha, where are you? Please come back.
Open it, Lord Krishna!
How did Radha's phone switch off? Radha never switches off her phone. Lord Krishna, where is Radha?
Something is wrong, Mom, but I don't understand what.
Mohan, please. Mohan, stay here for my sake. You will leave the mandap only after you get married to Damini. That's it.
But, Mom.
Mrs. Kadambari, please call the bride. The auspicious time is passing by.
Yes, priest.
Yeah, someone call Radha. Why isn't she here yet? Yeah, Mom.
Mohan, it's Damini, not Radha. You are going to get married to Damini.
Yeah, Radha, Damini, I mean, I meant the same thing, Damini. Why isn't Damini here yet? And why hasn't Radha returned yet? There is a wedding in the house, so everyone should be here.
Mohan, are you okay?
What will happen to me? I'm fine.
It's okay, Mohan. If you don't want to get married, you can say it. It is your life and it must be your decision whether you want to get married or not. Please, Mohan.
Where are you, Radha? Will you make me die out of worry?
Lord Krishna, I am not afraid of death. If you want me to die, I'll sacrifice my life happily to you. But right now I want to live. I want to live for Mohan and Gungun. I have to take uncle home. I can't die now. I have a lot to do. Lord Krishna, open this. No, don't do this, please. Stop it.
And now you can see how Radha is approaching her death. See this? You troubled me a lot. Now die. You will be done for.
Now even you can't harm me at all, Tulsi.
How does Damini know about Mohan's promise? That promise has kept me away from Mohan and the people related to him. No one knows about this promise.
Well, Tulsi, you will be disheartened to know that once I marry Mohan, you won't be able to harm me, either in this life or in any other life.
Damini! No! I won't let this wedding take place. I won't let it happen.
Why can't I hear my Damini's voice? Did that spirit Tulsi eat up my beloved daughter Damini? My dear, my child, are you alive? Or you became a ghost? Dear.
Mohan, you don't have to marry Damini for Gungun's custody case. We have many other ways to strengthen our case. And Mohan, if you can't make up your mind, then please don't get married to Damini. Please.
Ketki, I have explained this to you so many times. Please don't try to stop this wedding. Why don't you try to understand? This is the last option we have to keep Gungun's custody. And I don't want to lose this chance because of your foolishness. So keep quiet and go and bring Damini here.
Mom, both Mohan and Gungun are not happy with this wedding.
I said it and that's final, Ketki. Go and bring Damini here.
Ketki, go and bring Damini here, please. Get up. Get up. Let's enjoy. Why are you sitting quietly?
Oh Lord Krishna, they have rendered Uncle in a bad condition. Uncle isn't realizing what's going on.
Look, Tulsi.
Radha!
This Radha is trying to get out. Hey, Tulsi, you might consider me a very bad person, but I am not so bad. So that's why I won't make Radha suffer much. I will kill her quickly and send her to you as early. Then you can also play as spirits.
Open this! Get me out of here!
Tulsi, did you see this? Radha is going to die just like you.
No!
She will writhe in pain and die just like you. The only difference is that you were surrounded by fire and Radha is by water.
Is anyone there? Mohan! Open this! Get me out of here! Mohan!
I won't spare you at all! Leave Radha!
Well, Tulsi, are you here or else you got scared and left? And I am talking to myself for no reason.
Dear? Please hurry up! Your groom is waiting!
Did you hear that, Tulsi? Everyone is eagerly waiting to get me married to your Mohan.
I'm done for sure. This Ketki suddenly, where did she come from? If she gets to know by mistake also that the spirit is beating up my daughter, there will be a big problem.
I think it will take only 5 minutes. Then this girl will drown.
No, I think she will drown after 10 minutes. Do you want to bet 1,000
Why
rupees?
not?
If I don't get married to Mohan today, I will jump into this holy fire and kill myself. You know very well what will happen after that.
Before Tulsi saves Radha, before that, this wedding has to take place. Then whatever has to happen happens. My Damini will take care of everything.
I won't let anything happen to you. So what if Mohan hasn't come? Mohan Tulsi has come to save you. I will save you. I won't let anything happen to you.